Dreaming of a home upgrade but not sure where to start? Should you renovate or go all in with a remodel? Let's clear up the confusion so you can make the right move. Renovation is like a glow-up for your home. It improves what's already there. Think new paint, updated light fixtures, or fresh cabinet hardware. It's about appearance, not structure. Remodeling? That's a bigger leap. You're changing the structure or the purpose of a space, like turning a bedroom into a home office or adding an entirely new room. Renovations are often DIY friendly. Got a toolkit? You're ready to roll. But remodeling usually means calling in the pros. Plumbers, electricians, permits, inspections, the whole package. Renovations cost less. A few $100 can go a long way. Remodels? They can run into the tens of thousands, or even more. Of course, it depends on your location, materials, and project size, but remodeling typically hits the wallet harder. Looking for a return on investment? Renovations often bring more value, like replacing a garage door or adding new siding. Remodels do add space and improve functionality, but the financial return might be lower in the short term. So ask yourself, what's your goal? Quick upgrade or total transformation? Tight budget or a long-term plan? If your space works but needs a refresh, renovate. If you're ready for a big change, remodeling might be your best bet. Financing options? You've got them. Personal loans, home equity loans, or a HELOC. Pick what suits your budget and the scale of your project. Whether you renovate or remodel, plan wisely and build a home that works for you.